Let's make this super simple particles visualization in Touchdesigner. Go to the SOP category and add a sphere. Now in the palette, in the Tools category, scroll down to Particles GPU and drag and drop Particles GPU into Touchdesigner, and then connect Particles GPU to Sphere. Now add a new operator, and this time go to the top category and click on Null, and then put Null after Particles GPU. Connect those two operators. Now go to Google Images and type in Smiley Face PNG, and then select this image here from Wikipedia. Save that image. Now just drag and drop that image below Particles GPU. Now click on Particles GPU, click on Render, click on Texture and change that to Custom. And now drag your image file onto the particle texture map parameter, just like this. Let's go to our sphere and adjust the radius to 0.1. Now let's add a new operator. Let's go to the top category and add edge. Place that after null. Connect those. Now let's add a new operator under tops. Let's add noise. Let's add that above our edge. Turn off monochrome. Go to the transform tab. And in the translate y parameter, type in abs time.seconds times minus 0.1. Now add a new operator, and in the tops category, click on composite. Place composite after edge. Connect noise to composite and connect edge to composite. Click the display button on composite. Make sure the operation for composite is set to a top. Add a new operator under the tops category, add a constant operator. Below your edge, change the color to black and connect that to composite. And we're done.